In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import issues into Jira. If you need to bring a list of tasks, bugs, or other issue records into Jira from a spreadsheet, using a CSV import is one of the simplest ways to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in Jira to begin that process so you can get to the import screen quickly and confidently. To get started, make sure you're already signed into Jira and you're on your main project view. From there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Settings. This is where Jira keeps the broader configuration options for your workspace, including the tools for managing imports. If you don't normally work in the admin area, just take your time here, because the menu includes quite a few options. Once the settings area opens, click System. This section contains platform level settings rather than project specific settings, which is why the import tool is located here. If you're importing issues from an external file, this is the part of Jira you'll need to access before you can upload anything. After that, look for the option called External System Import and click it. This is the area Jira provides for bringing data in from outside sources. Since issue data is often prepared in another tool first, this import page is especially useful when you're migrating work into Jira or bulk adding issues from an existing list. When the external system import page opens, click CSV. Jira supports different kinds of imports, but for spreadsheet-based issue data, CSV is the correct option. If your data has been exported from another system or organized in a table format, this is usually the format you'll be working with. Next, click Upload CSV file. This is the step that begins the file selection process from your computer. Before you upload, it's a good idea to make sure your CSV file is clean and organized, with clearly labeled columns for the issue information you plan to import. That can make the next stages of the import process much smoother. At this point, you'll be ready to choose your CSV file and continue through Jira's import setup. The main goal of this tutorial is to get you to the correct import screen, and now you know exactly how to find it. Go to Settings, Open System, select External Systems Import, choose CSV, and then upload your file. That's it for this walkthrough on how to import issues into Jira.